Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. All right, we're finally going to put some paint on this old truck today. I hope you enjoy it. Coat of clear is on it. We're going to put the second coat on. All right, so now Phil's gonna work on the front of the bed. He's got to strip all the paint off it and make it all pretty so it can be primed and painted. Phil said he got out of bed early this morning to come do this. He's excited about it. About got it done. It looks good. We've got some new parts. Bedside, tailgate. Unfortunately, there's a ding in the tailgate. It looks like there's just one tiny, like a door ding in this bedside. We should be able to fix that pretty easily. And then there's another one over here. So it's starting to come together. this is about ready to go in for primer. We rolled it out here. We're gonna blow all the dust out of it and get it cleaned up. There is dust everywhere on this thing.
So those will end up going in the other shop, right, or you can put them by the back door. Hey, can you turn the compressor on? I don't hear it. And not too fast. Remember, there's no brakes.
It'll stop when it hits the wall.
Yeah. Keep pushing. That's good. That's good.
All right, we're starting to get ready to do the primer on the 71. So this is exciting. It's one more big step.
I wiped this side, didn't I?
I think so, yeah.
You scuffed them pretty well.
Just wiping this down to get any grease or any fingerprints or anything off of it before we shoot the primer on it.
So like this spot here, I'll put drip check in there. But all this we did.
Yep.
I'm just gonna tack it. I know it seems ridiculous to tack, but the less we have to do.
Alright, my buddy Rick came by with his truck, so I figured I'd show it to you guys. This is a 95 Dodge Ram that's really nice. It's a short bed, four-wheel drive, black and silver. It's a really nice truck. In a little while we'll get up underneath it too and take a look at the underside of it as well. There were quite a few of these trucks back in the day, but you just don't see them anymore, especially this nice. This one's really a good specimen. Sorry for the pallets in here, but it's got a nice rhino liner in it. As you guys know, Jake just put an engine in this truck, so it's got a fresh engine in it. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what it looks like under there. So this has got the 5.9 liter in it. Alright, let's take a look inside. The old dinger bell still works. Alright, one last peek. I hope you enjoy it. As long as we got this thing up in the air, I'll show you the underside of it. This truck is super clean. It is a nice truck. Everything is really rust free underneath here. You won't find one much nicer than this. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on something. Who knows what? Might be this truck, might be another one. Who knows? Thanks for watching.